In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best waist trainer available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best waist trainer, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents top 5 best waist trainers. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Yana Waist Trainer for Women. Hook and eye closure. A balanced diet and reasonable exercise accelerate sweating and fat burning and let metabolize faster. Promote local blood circulation and increase the temperature of the waist and abdomen. Tighten waist and abdomen muscles and make them stronger. Keep the spine in the right position by improving overall posture. Preventing and correcting hunchback greatly decreases back pain. Under bust design to make breasts upright and charming. Number 4. Yana Women Latex Under Bust Waist Training. High-quality, durable latex waist trainer corsets with 9 spiral, Felix boning supports, flexible and durable, bend easily. The underbust waist trainer with hook and zipper closures to keep a tight fit as you want adjustable. High compression and reduce your waistline by more than 3 inches if you insist to wear it. The effectiveness of waist trainer corset. Provides firm control and shaping. Flexible stays keep garment comfortably in place. Number 3. Goudy Women Waist Trainer. Measure waistline and choose best size. Premium material. Absorb sweat neoprene. Upgrade zipper design. Perfect body shaper. Efficient maternity cincher. Cincher your waist and perfect fit your body. Cover your whole stomach and full back support. Keep body warm and protect spine and relieve muscle soreness. Increase your core temperature to stimulate calories burning. Number 2. Nobility Women Waist Trainer. Premium material. Maximize firm control and adjustable straps. U-shape push-up breast design. Efficient waist cincher. Multifunctional waist trainer. Flatten abdomen to achieve postpartum recovery. Hide body extra lumps and bumps to a smoother look. Instantly slim waist and shapes your body curve. Gives your chest the perfect support to look more attractive. Number 1. Hoplon Neoprene Sweat Waist Trainer. Hook and loop closure. Continuous full and double coverage for the tummy corset. This waist trimmer belt for women is ultra lightweight with a flexible fit. Sweat 3 times more than usual. Contoured and flexes for custom fit. Wide enough to cover your tummy. Adjustable straps. Our zipper is from a pro-famous zipper maker, stronger and no break. High adhesive strength. Shed your excess water.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.